so we do something we like to call social media check-in. I don't hear any music to that, but I assume there would be. Well, I would assume there would be music there.
Oh, there it is. All right, our first comes from Claudia Slaw saying, hey, my priority date is April 2019. I can see that my category F2A is current. Do I have to wait till NVC contacts me? What do I do?
Got to wait till NVC contacts you, but hopefully they will shortly.
Okay, and Carla is saying, good day. If we are going to use our home as an asset for the income requirement on our I-130 application, can we show a home market value comparison to show proof, or do we actually need to pay for an appraisal?
No, why don't you go get the tax records and say what the appraised value from the tax assessor is?
Okay, my wife tells me yesterday that I should leave, and she has my work permit and the paper that I should use to get my social security number, and I'm waiting on the 120 days to hear from the immigration about my interview. What should I do?
Go call a lawyer. It sounds like you got lots and lots of problems.
All right. I'm hoping... Okay, my brother's case is at NVC. I have submitted everything, and everything has been accepted. Now they say case for review. They are asking for a W-2 form now. Will I go back into a waiting line for them to review the W-2 form?
Yes, you will. If you don't submit everything, you get delayed.
Okay, Brown Eye Nikki asking for a friend, which I hope this friend is watching. Yes. My friend filed an I-360, which she already received her second work authorization. Does that mean USCIS approved her I-360?
She got what she get approved? I was looking at Instagram as having the pause issues, at least on mine.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah, that happens. All right. My friend filed an I-360, which she already received her second work authorization. Does this mean that USCIS approved her I-360?
No. Well, if she filed an adjustment, that means she's getting the work permit through the adjustment. It depends what's on the work permit. If it says C9, that means you have a pending adjustment. Nothing's been approved. If it says C31, that means you're getting your work permit through an approved I-360, then yes, your I-360 is approved.
All right, Princess Tanko saying, my friend was charged with assault after a fight with his wife. He has an immigration case pending for removal of his conditioned residency. Will this be a problem if she drops the charges?
Well, she can drop the charges, but the prosecutor can continue to prosecute you despite the wife dropping the charges. Domestic violence is a problem if you're found guilty. If you're not found guilty and the charges are ultimately dismissed against you, it actually could go to your favor because it's proof that it's a bona fide marriage. People don't get into domestic disputes unless it's a real marriage.
Right. Meaning you should get this lawyer here.
That doesn't mean you should go start hitting women.
Right.
You never hit a woman.
Exactly. Right. All right. My name is Haiti. I got married on December last year. So how long do you think that I can apply for a green card, but my visa will expire in March this year?
Now?
Vamunya saying, I have a 2-year green card. Is it possible for me to apply for citizenship?
You got to remove the conditions.
Lee saying, I have an asylum case pending for 4 years, no interview schedule. Is this normal?
Yes.
Erica Johnson saying, I petitioned for my son from 2012, updated status in 2013, and I've not heard anything as of yet. I'm a citizen from 2013. I did my filing.
You should have gotten the approval already. Give me a call.
Miyazi saying, I'm qualified for a bill just passed for Liberians. Am I? I think we asked this yesterday.
Yeah, it'd be funny. Am I eligible for a bill passed by Liberians? I'm from Nigeria.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were going to say.
No.
Okay.
So came 2018 December and filed asylum. However, my case was postponed.
Yeah, it doesn't qualify. You got to be here by November. You have to be here by November 20th, 2014, or your parent has to be filing and have been here by November 20th, 2014, and you're single. One or the other.
At Pete saying, if one has a misrepresentation based on fraud, will it be okay to travel using an advance parole?
Yes.
Also, does having such misrepresentation affect the 5-year good moral character?
Yes, and it also affects you from getting a green card.
Tiffany saying, squad up, have a social security number from a J1. Do I need to update with married name to file tax with U.S. spouse? We'll be submitting a concurrent filing this month.
Well, you should file a joint tax return. You don't have to take his name. It's a modern world.
Okay. Will the SS office allow them to do so?
You filed your tax return based on what's the name on your social security number.
Gareth Brown saying, I have an individual hearing next week. My I-130 is approved. I have a child with my U.S. citizen wife. What should I expect at my hearing?
Expect to have the case terminated and adjust your status, or to have the judge adjust your status right there on the spot.
Nishayli saying, my question is, my brother is detained. He was charged with domestic violence for his wife, but he is appealed is cause and BIA approved is appeal. Do you know what the next step is from here? Do you understand that?
He had some domestic violence charge. He got ordered deported. He appealed that. The BIA said, you're right, the court was wrong. That means the next step would be go back to court and fight it over again.
Okay. MacLord saying, if your asylum case has been closed, but they grant you in a condition which you always renewed your working authorization.
That was probably either withholding of removal, most likely.
Okay. So
that doesn't entitle you to a green card or to travel.
Okay.
That was the question. I didn't really know what they were asking.
Yeah, damn. All right. Toya Wells saying, can my U.S. citizen husband file for a 19-year-old daughter, and how long will it take? We got married when she was already 18.
No, if the marriage happened after 18, you got to wait on your green card and file for your daughter.
Sebastian Z saying, what documents do you need to prove you have been in the U.S. for a certain period of time?
Proof you've been here. What documents would you show? Work papers, medical records.
Can you get bills in your name?
Bills in your name, mail in your name, all sorts of different things.
Yes.
Anything with a date and your name on it.
Yeah. Or like, can you do like bank statements and stuff?
Bank statements, yeah.
If I know, come on.
Come on.
All right. Earl Eugene saying, I have a question, sir. My EAD renewal has passed 6 months and my job is on the line. My 180 days automatic extension will expire in March and I filed for renewal May 2019. Please, I don't understand.
Donald Trump. That's what it is. Donald Trump.
Easy answer.
Easy answer. Yeah. Let's hope you get it before March.
All right, Sal McCall saying, I'm waiting for my expedited EAD, but it's taking a very long time. I have a VAWA pending with 2 kids to support. Can you please give me some advice as I'm literally stuck? Please help.
They're not going to expedite your EAD, but if you have a VAWA and have not filed an adjustment, you're not getting it anyway, so file your adjustment.
Kiki saying, is the process for adjustment of status the same for same-sex marriage? Is there a bias involved? Can I file the I-130 and the I-485 at the same time?
It's the same process. There is absolutely a bias involved.
Sheesh. Tiffany said, so can she do it at the same time?
Do it at the same time. It's the same process, but immigration is very suspect of same-sex marriages.
All right. Tiffany saying, have a social security number from, I think I said this. Yeah. Kenny, Ohio saying, I'm asked to provide affidavit of support for I-130 for my spouse. Recent tax transcript from IRS. Does it mean the 2018 or I must wait and get the 2019 transcript?
No, it's 2018 because 2019 is not due until April 15th.
All right. Last one, Ravi saying, I have a disorderly conduct conviction reduced from domestic violence on a separate docket. Maybe it's docket?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going for a visa stamping for H4 visa extension. What will happen?
You should be okay because it's only a disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.